The HS280D FPV drone with camera features an adjustable 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that offers 70-degree electric remote control adjustment, ensuring stable and high-quality shots. Equipped with powerful brushless motors, this drone provides better wind resistance and a quieter, more powerful flight experience, making it more durable than those with ordinary motors. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending the flight time to 28 minutes, and includes a low battery warning, adding a layer of safety for beginners. Designed for ease of use, the HS280D offers features like one-key takeoff landing, tap fly, altitude hold, headless mode, 2 speed modes, and emergency stop, making it perfect for kids and beginners. It also includes intelligent features such as gesture control for quick shots and the ability to draw a flight path on your phone screen, adding more fun and excitement to your flying experience. Weighing only 164 grams and boasting a foldable design, this drone is highly portable and does not require CAA registration, allowing you to take it anywhere with ease.